So for instance, I had a customer that came to us. We were building a website for them, and they had a significant date happen on, I think it was like September 20th of 2020. And they said, I want you to put on my website a counter, a live counter that starts on September 20th, 2020 and counts up and is live. And I want it to count years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds since September 20th. And I want it to be this color, blah, blah, blah. Now, in previous years, to program the code for something like that would have taken somebody much smarter than me. It would have taken a programmer. It would have taken a lot of code and a lot of thinking. But with what I just described to you as a creative prompt into ChatGPT, I said, build for me, for my website, some HTML code that will do blah, blah, blah down. And I said, use this color hex code, use this font, blah, blah, blah. And in 5 seconds, it spit out a bunch of code. I'm like, there's no way this is going to work.
And as somebody who used to program websites using hypertext markup language,
Yeah.
like I know how long that takes.
Oh, yeah.
So to go from what,
Or even to read it.
yeah, to go from even an efficient inefficient web coder from back in the day when we used HTML mostly, would take 30, 40 minutes just to write that. To go from that to 5 seconds is game changer.
This code would have taken much longer than 30, 40 minutes because it was extremely custom. And like I said, I thought there's absolutely no way this is going to work. I copy and pasted it into the HTML code of the website, and it worked absolutely perfectly. And that timer is still working today. It's incredible. And so that's one example of a way where, man, we took a task that we may have had to hire a freelance coder or developer, and it would cost a lot of money to the client, that we were able to do in just a few minutes, and it helped.